No, this is not a video everybody wants to do. Nobody wants to get fired, but it happens. Hi, I'm Eddie with Access Property Management. Today we're talking about why owners fire property managers. Two biggest ones, trust and lack of communication. If there is no trust, and trust works both ways, then normally we end up parting ways. Lack of communication, if the property manager isn't answering their phone, if they don't reply to emails, if owners aren't getting monthly statements, they're not getting their deposits, those are reasons owners fire property managers. Next one is fees. Fees are huge and don't get feed to death. The minute a property manager fees somebody to death, chances are they're going to at least start looking elsewhere. Failure to follow through. Asking your property manager to do something and then them telling you yes they can and then failing to do it, you have to follow through. Overpromise, underdeliver. We see this a lot in the initial process once a owner calls in and we meet with them, talk to them, whether they choose us or not. Normally the reason they end up leaving that person is they were promised something and it was never delivered. We prefer to over-deliver, under-promise. The grass is greener on the other side. I've had many owners tell me, so-and-so does this, this company does this. If they would simply ask me, and I would challenge anybody, if you're going to leave me, where would you go? I can tell you a lot about many of the other local property managers, and they would tell you a lot about me as well. We all do things a little bit differently. We're all great at some things, not great at other things. Simply ask. But the grass isn't always greener on the other side, they would find. Next one, bad tenants. So I normally always tell owners, I can't screen for crazy and I can't screen for stupid. Once we screen and place that tenant, they're there. We don't know exactly how they live. They could be spotless or they could live like pigs and pay their rent every month. You never know. We also run into issues when owners are upset because we can't collect on bad tenants. Normally this happens when we don't place the tenant, somebody else, a do-it-yourselfer, places that tenant, or somebody that didn't collect the correct information places the tenant. No social number, no driver's license, no bank accounts, no place of employment or pay stubs. If you want to collect on somebody, these are items you have to have. These are reasons why owners fire property managers. I'm sure there are a lot more. I only have room for this many, but absolutely reach out if you have any other questions. We'd love to answer them. Again, this is Eddie with Access Property Management.